Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to take steps to resolving shutdown and sleep issues within Windows 10. So whether or not you just upgraded from Windows 10 or you're experiencing problems with it in regards to the functionality of shutting it down and sleeping the computer, there are a couple different steps I would take in order to see if you can resolve this issue. This is not a guarantee for everybody. However, I did feel that it could be helpful as there are a couple different methods I'm going to go through in this tutorial that might be able to help you guys out. So the first thing would be to head over to our start menu, and what we want to do is search for our power options. So it should have a little battery icon with a power cord wrapped around it. So you want to left click on it. Then you want to left click on change plan settings, and then left click on change advanced power settings at the bottom here. So then you want to scroll down this list here until you get to PCI Express, and then left click on the little plus sign next to it. And then left click on the little plus sign next to link state power management. Underneath setting, you want to left click on whatever your power saving setting is here, and then left click on the little drop down arrow that appears. Select off. If you have a laptop and there's another option underneath that says plugged in or on battery, make sure both of them are set to the off position. And then click on apply and OK. So if that does not work for you, there's another method we can try here, and that would be to go through the command prompt. So what we're going to do is right click on the start button, and then left click on command prompt admin. Please know you have to be an administrator or have administrative privileges in order to perform this action. If you get a user account control pop-up, select yes. So now within the command prompt, you want to type in the following command: power CFG space the minus sign and then the lowercase h, another space, and then type off, OFF. I will have this in the description of the video, just so if you wanted to paste it in, and then just hit the enter key on your keyboard. And that is pretty much it. So at that point, I would also try to restart your computer, similar to after the first method. I would try restarting your computer both times and see if it resolves your issue. So I hope this tutorial works for you guys and it resolves all of your issues. So I hope to catch you all in the next video. Goodbye.